So I just got the transmission on. It was a little bit more difficult than I thought it was gonna be. Basically what was going on was the angle of the engine wasn't matching up to what we had with the transmission because this is tilted just a little bit. But we got it on, everything's all torqued. And at this point right now, we're ready to put the engine and the transmission as a unit into the car. So we'll be setting up the camera and then just time-lapsing that. All right, so we got the engine in the car. It actually didn't really take us that long, about a half an hour. I did have to remove the transmission mount, which I probably should have known when we were putting it in. It just kind of got wedged in the transmission tunnel that sits underneath the firewall. So once we got that out, taken off, it went right in. We have it sitting on the engine mounts right now. We don't have anything like bolted down. So it's just sitting on the engine mounts in the front, and in the back, the transmission is sitting on the scissor lift that runs on the runways of the lift. So from here, all I'm going to be doing is putting the wire harness back in, the intake manifold, and just some accessories, putting the front end back on, and we should be good to start it up.